Okay, so one of the water trucks got stuck in our mud hole out here, and they're trying to pull it out with a front end loader. It's pretty funny. I guess they broke one channel already. And there's Randy taking pictures. There's the mud hole and the stuff.
That chain's gonna snap too.
Yeah, no. Probably gonna crack one of our windshields too. There's the front end loader.
Come on, Buddha!
I just came up with a new saying. It's Buddha Man. Buddha Man.
Buddha man.
Buddha Man. See how thick the mud is here?
Video?
Yeah. I'll put stuff. Oh, look, where's he going? Oh, he's turning around.
Hey! We're gonna sweep the hands here, Jack. Look. How you guys doing? Go all out, man. Don't say it. Don't even do it.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, you're
Nick?
a new guy? What is it?
Nick?
Nick.
Also knows Bubbles?
Yeah.
Hey.
How you doing?
Ha ha ha.